Your brain is not tired because you work too much. It is tired because you trained it to need stimulation every second. Wake up, check your phone, scroll, watch, and repeat. Before your day even starts, your brain is already searching for the next hit. Your brain adapts to what you give it. When everything becomes instant, normal life starts feeling boring. You don't lose focus overnight, you lose it one small distraction at a time. The worst part? You think you need motivation, but your brain is simply addicted to easier words. The answer is not deleting your life, the answer is rebuilding your attention. First, control what enters in your mind. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Second, want to be bored again. A powerful mind can sit in silence without needing escape. Third, own your rewards. The hardest things usually create the strongest survivor of you. Your brain is not your enemy, but if you keep feeding it distraction, it will forget how to focus. Take control before your attention becomes someone else's business.